Hey, welcome to the Chris and Tina Johnson project. Today we're going to be burning Miscanthus grass. It's an ornamental grass from Japan. So some people cut it down every year, but you get a lot of dead thatch around it when you do that. So the best way to do it is you burn it. Have you some water because it gets really hot and you can catch the woods on fire or your house.
There you see the Japanese ornamental grass. It really looks nice. It's poofy and it just adds more personality to your garden. And Chris really likes it.
Need water.
A lighter.
It's springtime almost, and what we're going to do is you need to burn this every year. This is Japanese ornamental grass, and see all this thatch? If you don't do something with it, all this thatch, well, you got to get rid of that so it can grow. This is a real nice grass. You know what you want to do, you want to make sure the wind is right, because this stuff will catch on fire big time, and you don't want to burn your house down. It gets very hot, so you want to make sure the wind is blowing away from your house, and it's coming out of the northwest, so it's going to be going this way. So what I do is I spray everything down first around it. You're going to spray everything down. So you're going to start on this side with the lighter, that way it'll go that way. So you're going to start on this side and it'll go that way. And I'm going to be moving because this stuff is going to go up big time. The wind, perfect wind. That's how you want to do it. You want the wind blowing that way. It's going to shift, don't get smoky. Shifting back.
Wow, that's a lot of smoke. Did you know that one of the simplest ways to get rid of these bugs is by lighting a fire? Insects do not like smoke. Basically, insects will avoid any area with smoke, and this will decrease the number of bugs in your garden.
So why are you burning this?
Kill off all that thatch so it can come back green. Oh. Look at all that smoke.
That is a lot of smoke.
It moves. It's because the wind shifts. Shifting again. I don't want it on me either.
So there you see, this is what you can do with your decorative Japanese grass so that it'll come back lush and beautiful in the next year. Keep watching the Chris&Teena Johnson project and see how this Japanese grass grows back.
Thank you for watching the Chris&Teena Johnson project.